Hi, this is Nija, and today I'm talking about consciousness of wellness and understanding 6 stages of disease. I'll be talking about understanding these 6 stages of wellness. But to talk about this consciousness of wellness as opposed to the consciousness of disease or sickness, I'm going to introduce the concept of ama or toxins. Ama literally means uncooked or semi-digested material, and in the context of Ayurveda, it means the product of improper digestion and metabolism. Ayurveda regards all disease as being caused by the weakening or suppression of digestive fire or the activities of enzymes that are responsible for digestion and metabolism. This weakened digestion causes formation of ama at different levels in the physiology. Ama in the physical form is described as slimy, sticky, mucousy, smelly substance that comes out of incomplete digestion or metabolism and is regarded as the basis of all disease in Ayurveda. And some signs and symptoms that you may have an ama buildup is if you experience a heaviness in your body, if your joints are stiff, if your tongue is coated when you wake up, or um, in the morning you have this yellow coating or white coating on the tongue, if you have an unpleasant body odor, if you feel dull and sleepy after eating, if your mind is foggy, you may have a buildup of ama in the body. Diarrhea, constipation, joint pain, sadness, dullness, lower immunity, frequent bouts of colds and flus. They are some of the other health problems that can also be caused by ama. So now once we know the ama, let's look at what are the 6 stages of disease that Ayurveda talks about. So these are the 6 stages that Ayurveda talks about. The first stage is the stage of accumulation, where ama has started to accumulate in the body, and it is starting to accumulate typically in the microvilli where the absorption is supposed to take place. Then the next stage is aggravation. Now the situation is aggravated and too much ama is being built up. Then the stage of migration, where now the microvilli are full and ama starts to migrate, and then it starts to get localized in weaker part of your body. Whatever has caused that weakness, it could be genetically, or it could be because of prior illness, but some part of the body that is weaker and cannot resist this ama, that's where it will localize. If it goes, for example, in the arteries, we'll call it high cholesterol. It is the slimy, sticky, mucousy, smelly substance that is clogging the arteries. Then the next stage is of manifestation, where now ama has reached that level in a particular area that it is now starting to manifest as a disease. And then the next stage is of disruptions and complications. So these are the 6 stages defined, and first 4 are still subclinical. And from Ayurvedic perspective, from the consciousness of wellness in the wellness model, that's where we can work a lot, where we can completely reverse any disease that can happen before it manifests.